I did it, guys. I was finally able to buy the PlayStation 5. This is the disc version and I got it from Amazon. I actually wanted to buy the digital version, but it was out of stock in seconds. But I was lucky enough to get this one. Now, the last gaming console that I owned was the PlayStation 2. So this is a big upgrade for me. I'm very excited to try this out. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and also let you guys know what are my plans for the future. First, let's start with the unboxing. Well, this is a big box and it feels heavy, so let's see what's inside. Inside the box, we have the new DualSense controller. And it looks great. It looks so much better in real life and the build quality is very good as well. I can't wait to try this out. This is the power cable. Then you have your user documentation. Inside this small box, you have the stand. This is what you should use regardless if you want the PS5 to stand vertically or horizontally. And finally, we have the HDMI 2.1 cable. Now let's check the most important thing, the PlayStation 5. Whoa, this thing is massive. It is massive and heavy. It's definitely bigger and heavier than I thought. It's heavier towards the left side, where you have your ports, so you should be careful when holding this. In terms of the overall design, I like it, but I'm not a big fan of this glossy black part in the middle. It feels cheap and gets a lot of dust and fingerprint. But anyway, I'm very happy to own my second gaming console and I can't wait to play some games on this. Something I almost missed is the USB-C to USB-A cable. This is something you will need to use when setting up your PlayStation 5 for the first time and also to charge your controller. Now, some of the videos I have planned for the future is my living room setup makeover. I'm very excited for this one. Right now it's not looking the way I want, but soon it will be ready and I will be able to show you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that one. The other video I'm working on is my desk setup upgrade. If you watch my desk setup video, then you know that I wanted to make some changes and improvements, so in this video that's exactly what I will be showing you guys. Well, that's all for today guys, thanks for watching and I will see you next time.